Hi, Skin Games. It's me, Kisha Hamilton from Goodyear, Arizona. I'm a licensed esthetician, and this is week 8 of our new esthetician case study. I have my model, Valen Perry, here, and I'm going to let Valen share with you her experience over these past 8 weeks and letting us know what she liked about it and what she did not like about it. Valen.
Okay, so these past 8 weeks has been really a roller coaster. There's been, like she said, there was some purging, so that process was a little bit difficult for me. But Kisha coached me through it all, and she, helped me to see the bigger picture that it's going to get better. Just hang in there. That it's a process, and these things happen. And she even gave me a lot of good tips on things to do to help with my skin, help with the inflammation, help with the breakout. But it's been good. And I've enjoyed the time with Kisha and being here in her salon and being here with her. So that's been good as well.
I'm so excited for Valen for this journey for her. We've achieved approximately 50% improvement in atrophic scarring, reduced congestion, improved hydration, and just overall healthier, a healthier skin tone. Despite the setbacks, mistreatments, and moments of frustration, Valen's skin responded once we stabilized the barrier and stayed consistent. This case study reinforces that acne is not just about killing bacteria, it's about rebuilding the skin's ability to heal. Microchanneling, barrier repair, and education played the biggest role in Valen's success. Acne may not be curable, but it is absolutely manageable with the right approach. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I will see you next in Dallas. Toodaloo.